I think that's the biggest reason why we are sitting here now as a champion. Yeah, what I can say. Amazing team, amazing group, amazing coaches, amazing supporters.
Amazing players.
Amazing players, yeah. I mean, the team, the players, yeah. Amazing translator.
Pas lagi, Cak.
Assalamualaikum Ustaz. Sehat-sehat aja Ki.
Malah keberapa nih Ramadan ini?
Ewako 3 point. Udah bagus.
Pas lagi, Cak.
Bagus. Besok berbagus.
Bagaimana mungkin kalian akan mendapatkan hal yang luar biasa jika kebiasaan kalian belum luar biasa. Jadi hal-hal yang luar biasa hanya bisa kita peroleh dengan merubah kebiasaan kita dari yang biasa-biasa menjadi kebiasaan yang luar biasa. We have done extraordinary. The recorder deserve extraordinary result. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the God, bless us and always give us strength to follow the course direction to get the best. Mari kita sama-sama berdoa kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Semoga Allah memelihara dan melindungi kita untuk seluruh rakyat Sulawesi Selatan yang menanti kita di Makassar pada saat ini. Mari kita berdoa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma yassirna wa la tu'assirna. Allahumma yassirna wa la tu'assirna. Allahumma tsabbit qulubana wansurna 'alal qawmil kafirin. Allahumma afriq 'alaina sabran wa tsabbit aqdamana wansurna 'alal qawmil kafirin. Allahumma yassir lana sudurana wa yassir lana umurana. Wahlul 'uqdatam min lisanina yafqahu qawlana. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Al-Fatihah.
Selamat malam. We don't know if it's going to be the final match. Because, the other side, Madura, if you remember, they beat us on the first round. It was this team that beat us. They have good players, good team, and in the history, they say Makassar never win in this field.
Tahan. 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes.
We don't have too much time more. We go to receive the awards and to be. But one thing, guys, the awards we receive, good, but not think what we do before gonna help us today.
Oke, penghargaan ini untuk capaian kalian di masa lampau. Jadi ini tidak akan membantu kalian di pertandingan ini. Oke, jangan besar kepala.
Because it's not good taste. We receive award altogether and after tidak bagus performance.
Karena nanti pasti perasaan kalian tidak bagus. Terima penghargaan di awal, ternyata hasilnya kita tidak bagus.
So it's important to us. We can lose, we can draw.
Kita bisa menang, imbang, kalah.
Our attitude,
Tapi
our
our spirit, our
Semangat yang kalian bawa
must be on the
ke dalam pertandingan itu harus besar. Jangan berkurang.
And for me to have this spirit, one of the things more important is the focus on the warm up.
Ya, dan itu berawal dari fokus kita. Bagaimana kita melakukan pemanasannya kita, oke?
Warm up physical and warm up mental. Okay, let's go to pray.
Berarti pemain official sebelum melakukan pemanasan berdoa dimulai. Selesai.
First, congrats for you. You are the best on February 2023.
Terima kasih.
Success for you. Congratulations.
Terima kasih.
Foto group. Satu, dua. Sekali lagi. Oke. Mohon foto. Coach foto sendiri.
Terima kasih.
Wait. Foto first.
Oh, photo. Thank you for the trophy and choose me as a coach of the month February. Gelar Liga 1. But this is, for me, it's not an individual trophy because we lose together, we win together. So this is for all the team. Congrats for all the team. 1, 2, 3. Ewako!
Okay, Lim. Congratulations for you. You are the best player on February 2023. Success for you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Foto. Okay, wait.
Thank you for everybody who voted for me for the trophy. Same as our coach, we did it all together and it's a prize for the team. Thank all of you. Ewako.
One more to say Ewako with the expressive.
3, 2, 1. Oke. 3, 2, 1. Ewako.
Selamat ya, Ananda Bayar. Kamu the best yang player di Februari 2023. Mudah-mudahan tambah maju lagi. Oke, selamat. Foto.
Terima kasih telah memilih saya sebagai pemain muda terbaik bulan Februari dari Liga 1 2022-2023. Ewako!
Pasukan Ramang.
So,
First things, just remember, offensive, second option, Yanchi. We go to play bola here. We don't know if we're going to win the ball or not. We get difficult times.
Ada masa-masa sulitnya kita teman-teman, kalian tahu itu.
No stadium, we must travel to Pare-Pare. We and our supporters.
Kita harus ke Pare-Pare.
You, most of you, last season fight for relegation.
Musim lalu, kalian harus berjuang keluar dari zona degradasi.
Other teams have all the conditions for training, dress room,
Tim
blah
yang
blah
lain
blah.
punya fasilitas. Sebutkan aja, mau latihan, dressing room dan lain-lain. Kalian tidak punya.
For me, difficult times create strong men.
Bagi saya, masa-masa sulit itu akan membuat laki-laki yang memang kuat. Orang-orang kuat menghadapi masa-masa sulit.
Strong men can make together good things.
Dan orang-orang kuat berkumpul sama-sama kita bisa hasilkan hal-hal bagus.
ASEAN final.
Kita final di AFC. ASEAN.
A big possibility to be champion Liga 1.
Dan kemungkinan besar kita bisa jadi juara.
But for this happen today,
dan untuk ini kita harus apa?
We must be warriors.
Kita harus berjuang.
We must,
Jadi pejuang di
we
lapangan.
must have strong mentality.
Mental harus kuat di lapangan.
When referee make bad decisions, we put highs in your head.
Pada saat wasit buat keputusan salah, keputusan buruk, dinginkan kepala kalian, dinginkan.
We must be more strong than this because on the difficult times we have strong men and you are already proof.
Dan kalian lebih kuat daripada itu. Tidak boleh terprovokasi. Kalian selalu dingin meskipun keputusan-keputusan salah di sana. Keputusan buruk.
Guys, you have our identity. You already know focus, intensity, aggressive.
Tiga hal tersebut camkan dalam kepala kalian.
And this you have one thing that is very
Dan di lambang ini,
inside of everybody.
di hati kita
Our
semuanya.
spirit. Sirina Pace.
Semangat Sirina Pace teman-teman.
So today we must be Sirina Pace. Let's go to play.
Berarti perbedaan pemain sebelum melakukan pertandingan malam ini, kita berdoa dari pertandingan ini dari berkekuatan.
Amin. Amin.
Dari menang.
Amin.
Doa dimulai. Selesai.
Air. Kanan. Awin. Dari 3 meter aja anu juga.
nomor punggung 80.
Mati.
Gol untuk PSM Makassar oleh pemain nomor punggung 80 Willy dan
Mr. Tavares, congratulations for the champion. Tell me about the game.
I think it was a fantastic game. I think sometimes it's not easy because we win, we are champion, but come on, we must respect our work. And today, too much mistakes about the referee. Sorry to say this, we are champion, but I must complain because it's the first time in my life that I sent off, and it's unbelievable. I get empat kartu kuning for what? I not say nothing. But this, okay, this is the league. This is if coach make a bad performance, coach out. If player make bad performance, player out. Supporters, our supporters are fantastic. 23 years old. 23 years we not win, and now we make this. Last season, almost relegate. Difficult times create strong men, and these strong men create good times. We go to final Asian, and we are champion of Liga 1. Ewako!
Ewako! Yes, this is fantastic. What's your strategy to bring PSM Makassar this season to be a champion?
The key of this performance, it's the work hard of the players, of the staff of the club, and of course of our supporters, because they bring extra energy with the support that they make.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, sekarang Yakob dan Yance, kalian menjadi sejarah dari PSM Makassar, 23 tahun tanpa gelar, sekarang kalian berhasil membawa PSM menjadi juara. Bagaimana perasaan kalian?
Pertama-tama kami mengucap syukur kepada Tuhan atas berkat dan rezekinya kami boleh dapat memutus rekor di kali ini, dan puji Tuhan itu tidak terlepas dari kerja keras teman-teman dan apa yang dikasih oleh pelatih kami boleh jalankan di pertandingan. Dan terutama juga kami mengucap syukur kepada seluruh supporter Sulawesi Selatan di mana mereka berada karena selalu mendukung kami di saat senang maupun saat susah juga. Terima kasih.
Oke, buat Yance?
Ya, dan untuk saya sangat bersyukur sekali karena tahun ini tahun berkat bagi saya karena telah dipanggil ke timnas senior perdana untuk saya pribadi, dan bahwa PSM juara itu satu momen yang saya sangat bersyukur sekali karena Tuhan begitu baik. Dan sekali lagi terima kasih buat pendukung kami yang ada di Makassar karena telah mendukung kami dari awal sampai hingga saat ini. Terima kasih.
Oke, terima kasih juga. Selamat, congratulations.
Terima kasih.
Congratulations. Ewako. Okay.
Come on, we must be realistic. 23 years waiting for PSM Makassar to be champion. On the beginning of the season, nobody believed in our team group. But I want to say one thing to you.
Yes.
Tidak bagus. Okay. Selamat malam. Today, Makassar, I think, is holiday. 23 years not be champion. On the beginning, when we start the season, I think nobody believed in our group. But as I say before for the players, what they passed last season, difficult times, almost relegate, and all the situation, the facilities that you know, we must to play at home. We go to Pare, big travel to come. Not just the players, the staff, but also the supporters. And the supporters go and fill the stadium. It's fantastic. These difficulties create strong people. And strong people create good times. Easy times. Why I say this? Because it's not easy to get Asian final, and it's not easy to be champion already. In a Liga Satu, that sometimes it's not Liga of Indonesia, because it's unbelievable how I repeat, it's unbelievable how a game of that give the title not be live on Indonesia TV. For me, that I'm a foreigner, I cannot understand this. I cannot understand this. There are many people celebrate on Makassar and in other places and cannot see the game on Indonesia TV. So we have Liga Satu, or we have Liga Satu from Liga Indonesia, or we have Liga Java. I respect all the clubs, and I just follow the rules. For me, also as a coach, it's unbelievable. I get on 32 matches, I get 4 kartu kuning, and the 4 kartu kuning, I just say, coach, was it pull today? I say, was it number 6? Pull jersey of my player, kartu kuning. The guy come and give me kartu kuning, and he complains that I speak. Come on, when I born, my father and my mother bring me eyes and mouth. Mouth is to speak. The mouth is to speak. If you make Tirabago's job, not make excuse, not put afraid coach and players, give cards. Too much easy to give cards to us. But these bad things that you make to us, put us more strong. And since the beginning, see, we represent Indonesian APC Cup. See the schedule that they give to us. Fantastic. Huh? Fantastic. See the schedule that IPC give to us. Change games. And this put this band strong. Because we see the difficulties. And when we have difficulties, we have strong men.
About the game, I think it's one of the typical games of our team. It's, I think, the last, maybe almost all the season, our games are like this, and this is how we play. It gives us a result, and that's what we want. The whole team support what we are doing. It asks a lot of discipline, a lot of work ethic, and it's amazing that we have a team that believe in the thing that the coach wants, and nobody give one complaint, nobody is making a problem, nobody is whatever. Everybody keeps working, keep going, and to be fair, I never see this in my whole career, and I have quite long career already. So yeah, I think that's the biggest reason why we are sitting here now as a champion. Yeah, what I can say, amazing team, amazing group, amazing coaches, amazing supporters.
Amazing players.
Amazing players, yeah. I mean, the team, the players, yeah. Amazing translator. No, everything falls together, and that's because everybody has the eyes in the same way, and nobody wants to get out. So more I matter to tell you this.
We want to build a house, correct? We want to build the full house. We are champions. We 3 days, it's impossible because we need to work. But let's go to make one thing. 2 a day, okay? So 1 and 2. We start 3. We training 3. We training 4. On 5 we travel. We make official training. We play on 6. And after, if they make the same schedule, I give more days rest. Okay? Guys, it's important for training. It's important we training on 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Because if we just play and 4, no training nothing.
Kita masih penting. 3 dan 4 penting untuk latihan. Latihan tanggal 5 official training kita tidak buat apa-apa. Dan kita jalan tanggal 5, tanggal 6 kita main. Jadi 3 dan 4 kita itu harus latihan. Oke?
Okay guys.
Right.